Okay, so let us move on to 4.2. On the same set of axes, draw the two functions. Indicates the coordinates of the points of intersection of the graphs. Okay, all right, cool. So 4.2, so we are required to actually sketch, guys. We are required to actually sketch. Okay, all right, cool. But it's important again for us to actually remember, for us to start drawing qala, okay, we need to actually determine our coordinate with the axis. Okay, so siyazi ukuthi ke kakhulukazi when it comes to a straight line, okay, you can easily calculate y and x wakho for which your graph intersects with the axis. So in other words, siyazi ukuthi since u-gx wethu a straight line sethu and i-graph yakhona singarepresenta as y is equal to x minus 1, you can easily calculate your x and y intercept by making y to be equal to 0 for x and make x to be equal to 0 for y. Okay, so in other words, ukuze sithole nje i-y intercept yethu, we're gonna substitute u-0 la sibona khona u-x wethu and u-y wethu be equal to u-0 minus 1 and then y wethu be equal to u-minus 1. So in other words, i-graph yethu le straight line izo-intersecta ku-y wethu, ama-coordinates akhona azothi ngenkathi u-x ewu-0, u-y wethu uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-minus 1. And then we can do the same procedure ukuthola ukuthi uzobe ubani u-x ngenkathi y ewu-0, so soba no-0 is equals to x minus 1, and then we transpose u-negative 1 to the other side, sibe no-1 is equals to x. Alright, so if 1 ilingana no-x, kusho ukuthi u-x uyalingana nobani? No-1. So ama-coordinates with the x-axis azobe thini? Azobe thi ngenkathi u-x ewu-1, u-y wethu uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-0 respectively. Okay, so sesinawo siyazi ukuthi okay, for our straight line sizoba nama-coordinates ethu laphayana. Okay, soba nama-coordinates ethu laphayana la khona u-x wethu ewu-1, u-y uzoba ubani? Uzoba u-0. Siphinde sibe namanye futhi there at the bottom la khona u-x ewu-0, u-y uzoba ubani? U-negative 1. So we can easily draw our straight line. Okay, already ikhathi lapha kanje, yeah? Okay, all right, okay, and then we are required to sketch our hyperbola. Okay, so yini ke siyazi nge-hyperbola? Siyazi ukuthi hyperbola ayithinti y-axis, ayithinti x-axis uma ukuthi ayishiftile, but once wayishiftisa ke in such a way that la mhlawumbe 1 o minus p la 1 o plus q lapha eceleni, then only sizoqala ke thinte ama-y nama-x-axis. But since nje it's just normal and ayishiftile, then in that case all you need to do is just to look at your value of a to see ukuthi ke i-sketch sakho uzosifaka kuphi. So since i-value yakho ka-a laphayana is actually positive, it means i-sketch sakho sizohamba la ku-first quadrant. Okay, so hamba la ku-first quadrant, nakuphi nala kuphi kwi-third quadrant. Okay, all right, cool. But ukuba a wethu la ube negative, ibizohamba la kwi-first, la kwi-second quadrant, nakuphi nakwi-fourth quadrant. Okay, right, cool. So bathe bacela ukuthi sirepresente ke ama-points of intersection. Okay, siyabona nanka u-2 and bese siwabalile vele already. Shuthi since vele lesiyabona ukuthi no-x o negative 1 no-y o minus 2, shuthi kuzoba ileya because u-x u-negative ngala, u-x unjani? U-negative ngala. Okay, so ama-coordinates alapha azothi minus 1 is 2 minus 2 is 2 minus 2, and then awethu alaphayana therefore azothini? Azothi u-x ubani? U2, okay, and y ubani? U1 respectively. Okay, so there we go, guys. We've got our 4.2 and we've got our 3 marks in the bag.